Folks, this is Brett Norman from AgSmarts. I wanted to walk through some of the sensors that we offer for our field node sensor stations. The first one being our soil moisture sensor. This comes in a standard 6-foot length in this armored cable. So it protects it from the elements, from varmints, rodents, coyotes, bugs that could chew through the electrical lines. They are on this end here. This is the connector end. It's color-coded to match the port on the field node sensor stations. So blue to blue, water is the color we chose here. And the quick connect snaps in and you just screw it into the port. This is also sealed on this side with the heat shrink, and this is the sensor that actually goes in the ground. This is a gypsum block inside here. It's a granular matrix type sensor. It's made by Aerometer. It's the watermark. These are really nice applications. They've been around for a while, low cost and reliable. They measure the soil tension, or the soil moisture tension through tension, and it's pulling it in. The gypsum blocks is pulling the water into the sensor itself. One of the important things to know about this, when you deploy the sensors, you want to soak this unit overnight, just the tip here really, but you can, in a bucket or whatnot, just dip it in the water. But that will allow it within an hour or two to start giving you readings of soil moisture levels at the various depths that you plant the sensors. So you can put up to 6 of these on the full field node sensor or 3 on the field node light, and we have these in stock for you. It's going to go through next the soil temperature probe. It's a little thermistor unit here that measures the temperature. These units can be sunk at any depths. Typically you see them buried at about 6 inches to give folks a reading of what the temperature is. Very similar layout in form. We've got the flex armor cable here protecting the wires internally. These come in 5-foot lengths. They've got heat shrink on both sides to protect both the sensing element and the connection. This also has a 90 that plugs into the field node sensor or field node sensor light, and it's white to white, so both the temperature sensors, and I'll show you the ambient one here in a second, are color-coded white to correspond with the white ports on the sensing stations. So again, quick connect just snaps in and screw it in. Once you've done that, it's an environmental seal. I'll go through just very quickly the the ambient temperature sensor. This is heat shrink. The only difference between this and the soil temperature sensor is this insulation shield or solar shield that's protecting the soil, the thermistor here from getting struck by direct sunlight. Really much, again, same form factor, flex armor cable, heat shrink on both ends, color coding. Again, the temperatures have 90s as to ease the installation. When these are deployed with the units, they're typically just drawn over the unit. So this is hanging towards the ground, protecting it from collecting any rain or moisture in there, and again, protecting it from the solar insolation or the direct sunlight. That's it for the standard sensors for our AgSmarts field node sensor stations. And thank you very much. You can always get more information on our website. And this has been Brett Norman with AgSmarts. This has been an instructional video from AgSmarts. Please visit agsmarts.com for more information.